Hey there, people. Well, to everybody who's seen yesterday's video, you know what I'm up to today. I have to return that stove, but to everybody else who hasn't seen that video, I kind of screwed up. I picked up somebody's stove that they were bringing into their apartment building, and I brought it home, and the cops, blah blah blah, and I got to bring it back. But anyway, as far as these stickers, like, they're going off the shelf here, man. I don't have enough to support everybody. I'm already mailing out 20 today. So if you want more of these stickers, you're going to have to go to Lunatic's channel. I talked to him, he's got lots of them. So I'll put his link down below. It's Lunatic. Anyway, he'll send you the stickers. Alright, let's return that stupid stove. I guess it could be worse, like I could be in jail or something. But anyway, let's get her done. Right on, let's get her loaded. Had to come back home, I forgot my peace offering. Well, I got my peace offering. Okay, let's go bring back that stove. Alright, I gotta find complex 62. That's where I picked it up yesterday. 62. Where are you? Okay, with a little effort and help from people, I found 62. Of course, it's a main building. Right there. Wide enough for me to back in, we'll see. So you guys are my witnesses. I dropped it off, and I shouldn't be going to jail. I didn't see anybody. I left my card, but I'm gonna take another ride around and see if I can find this guy. So I found out where the superintendent's office was, and there was no answer, but well, you guys are my witnesses, right? It's sitting right there. Somewhere over there. Signed, sealed, and delivered, I guess, kinda. Even though I didn't talk to Buddy, but whatever. It's there. I kinda messed up yesterday. Well, not really, but Randy and Leahy from the Trailer Park Boys, they were in town, they were at the townhouse. I had an invitation from Jenny Jellin to go join them, but no, I didn't go. I regret it now, though. Should have went. Oh well, next time. Found a little something. Let's grab that. Wood, my favorite. it looks like it's going to be another one of those days. No scrap. I'm in the neighborhood, so let's go see what the Paperweight Girl's up to.
There it is, my very own mud in my blood stickers.
Lunatic.
Going right on my quad. Thank you, Marcel. Thank you, Lunatic, for giving them to Marcel. Love them. Cut.
Who's that? Look at that thing. Oh my. Kind of looks like that dog that used to live on my house. Cody, I think her name was. Well, this is Coda. There's Lex. Lex likes the camera right here. I know you do, you psycho. Meow. Meow. Coda.
Off.
Hey, be nice. You can't swear on the YouTube.
On the YouTube now, is it? Is that like the MTV?
It's better almost.
Whatever.
Well, whatever. I made it back home, and now we're going to buy some food for suppers. Maybe it'll be a little cooking video afterwards. Maybe. You never know.
Why are you pointing that thing in my direction? Okay, stop it. It's all.
We're gonna go get some food, and maybe there'll be a cooking video after this. We'll see. Okay, well, I'm definitely gonna pull the camera out at the grocery store to piss Shelly off.
Oh, I hate that. Stop it right now.
Maybe we'll get some butt shots.
I doubt it.
Stupid winter with the long jackets.
Neighborhood scrapper. That's how he does it. He's after pop cans and shit, obviously. I feel bad for the guy, or no, I don't. He's cutting into my shit. Oh, they fixed their sign. Say no butt shots. The jackets are too long in winter. Stupid winter.
Really?
Careful. The hoo-ha? Yeah, bacon and eggs, I guess. That's what I'm in the mood. Need some onions. The onion. The onion. What are you looking at?
Sausage.
Good stuff. So I guess we're having bacon and eggs. The meal of champions. Oh yeah, look at that. Okay, egg time. Everything's getting so expensive, like the cheapest eggs. Like, come on. Give us a break here sometimes. What? Tut tut.
Oh yeah, they packed them in here, so. Stop it.
Are you all good?
Yes, they're good.
When I buy eggs, I just put them in the
basket
You're
and
supposed
go.
to check them just in case that you're broken.
Wish I was lactose intolerant. Are you serious? Like, come on.
879.
That's a whole day of scrapping right there.
Yeah.
Okay, we're skipping on the cheese.
That's why I bought them when they were $3.99.
So Christmas gift and that large didn't fit it, and then I lost the receipt.
It's only supposed to be good for 2 weeks.
Oh, well, shit. Well, I didn't want to refund it, this one.
Well, that's what I mean. To pay your refund, it's 2 weeks.
Oh, I can't go.
Well, there we go. I spent my last $5. Let's hope for the best, because everybody will be happy. Squeak!
Really?
It's the way I roll.
Yeah.
We'll get a butt shot in the house.
Told you I was on vacation for the whole entire winter from that.
But you still got to give us a butt shot, though.
Yeah, right.
I'll sneak one in. Oh, careful!
Don't you fucking dare.
Why are you gonna be like that?
Go away.
We'll get her from the other side. Come on.
Go away, I said.
If you're gonna get bacon, you might as well go all out.
Yeah, I found that gold there, but it was totally on the other side of the complex. So, anyway, okay, that's okay now. Okay, yeah, bye.
I guess I'm not going to jail. You got his stove. Oh yeah, things are starting to happen. Well, here's a crazy twist. We forgot to pick up milk. So I'm gonna throw some ice cream with the eggs. Oh yeah. Bacon's done. Now for the eggs. Well, there's the eggs. The ice cream helped, I think, to put everything together. But anyway, I added cheese, some big ass onions. Shelly doesn't like onions, so that's why I make them so big. So let's cook that and see what happens. Done.
Thank you, baby. Just need a fork, though. Yeah, no.
No ketchup? Oh yeah, I forgot. Okay, we'll hook you up with a fork.
Thank you.
Little ketchup, and we're good to go. Well, I appreciate you guys coming for the ride. Cheers. And we'll obviously talk to you guys later. It's because I got mud in my blood.